Hi, this is Mike with Channel Master. With so many content options to choose from, we believe watching TV should be simple. And that's why we created Stream Plus. Stream Plus delivers the very best picture and sound quality from internet streaming services and from a standard television antenna. Stream Plus is built on Google's popular and robust Android platform, which provides high performance, ease of operation, and a wide variety of entertainment options. In this video, we will provide an overview of the features and functionality of Channel Master's Stream Plus hardware, Google's Android TV platform, and the live Channels application. This video also serves as Channel Master's complete user guide in addition to the quick start guide that was provided in the package with your Stream Plus. This video is broken into 7 chapters for your convenience. In Chapter 1, we will cover connecting your TV antenna, internet, HD television, and audio system to the Stream Plus. First, using an RG6 coaxial cable, connect your indoor or outdoor TV antenna to the RF in port on the back of the Stream Plus. For those who plan to use a hardline cable to connect their Stream Plus to the internet, the next step is to plug in an Ethernet cable from your modem or router to the Ethernet port on the back of the Stream Plus. Next, using a high-quality HDMI cable, connect one end to the HDMI port on the Stream Plus and the other end to an HDMI port on your television. Take note which port you used. For example, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. If you have a soundbar or audio system that you would like to connect, use a SPDIF optical cable and connect one end to the SPDIF port on the back of the Stream Plus and connect the other end to the optical audio input port on your soundbar or audio receiver. Now, power on your television and ensure that it's on the input that matches the name of the port that you plug the HDMI cable into. Lastly, plug in the included power adapter to an available electrical wall outlet and the other end to the back of the Stream Plus. Your Stream Plus should start to boot up. You should see that the Channel Master and Android logos appear on your screen before the Android TV Setup Wizard launches. In Chapter 2, we will walk through the Android TV Setup Wizard. Pairing the remote control to the Stream Plus enables the remote's voice search feature and allows it to operate the Stream Plus without having to be pointed directly at the device. Pairing your Bluetooth remote is highly recommended. To do so, select the pair option. If you select the skip option, your remote will still function as a basic infrared remote control. This can be changed later in the settings. After selecting the pair option, press and hold the OK and Home buttons on the remote control for several seconds until the screen says All set. Next, select your language. This will be the language used for all your settings menus. If you already use an Android phone or tablet, you simplify the setup process by allowing Android to access credentials from your other device. To do this, select Yes. If you do not have an Android phone or tablet, select No to continue. Next, connect the Stream Plus to your Wi-Fi network. If your internet is connected directly via Ethernet cable, skip this step. To connect to Wi-Fi, select your network name from the list displayed on the screen. Then, enter your Wi-Fi password. The next step is to sign in on Google. Signing into Google will allow you access to the Google Play Store, where you can download apps of your favorite streaming services and games. If you do not wish to sign into Google, you can skip this step, although we do recommend signing into Google now. There are 2 options to sign in. 1, by using your phone or laptop, and 2, by using your Google login and password. Choose your preferred option and follow the on-screen instructions. To proceed, you will have to review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. You can choose not to let Google access your Stream Plus location, although we recommend allowing it for an improved experience. We recommend allowing Google to receive diagnostics from your Stream Plus device. However, you may elect not to. In Chapter 3, we will cover scanning for antenna channels via the Google Live Channels application. Once the main Android TV setup is complete, you'll be taken directly into Google Live Channels app, where you can scan for antenna channels. To start the channel scanning process, select TV Tuner on the Set Up Your Sources screen. Next, allow Live Channels to access your Stream Plus location. This is encouraged, as it will allow the Live Channels app to populate program guide information for the available channels in your area. On the TV Tuner setup screen, select Continue to start the tuning process. The Live Channels app will now start scanning for available over-the-air channels from your antenna. Once scanning is complete, the number of channels found will be displayed. If the desired number of channels are displayed, select Done. In Chapter 4, we will cover programming your remote control to your television and your audio system. The Stream Plus Bluetooth remote can also control the volume and power on-off functions of most modern televisions, soundbars, and audio receivers using the integrated infrared transmitter. Since this function uses infrared technology, you will need to point your remote directly at your TV or audio device to power the volume and power functions. To program the remote control to operate your TV volume and power functions, select Set Up Remote for TV Power and Volume. Now, select your TV brand and press OK. While in front of the TV, select Begin Test to start the programming process. Test the first code by pressing OK and closely watching your TV to notice if its volume indicator changes. If yes, select Yes and the setup is complete. If no, select No and continue testing codes until you find the one that works for your television, and then select Yes. If none of the codes work for your television, we do apologize, but sometimes there are models that are incompatible. If this is the case, proceed to the next step and note that you will still need to use the remote that came with your television to control the volume and power functions. Select Finish, and now your setup is complete. Note, if you pre-installed a microSD or USB external storage device prior to powering on the Stream Plus, you will be prompted to set up now. To set up as DVR storage, select Set Up as OTA DVR storage. If you select Set Up as removable storage, it will not work for DVR storage. In Chapter 5, we will provide an overview of the features and functions of Android TV and the home screen. Navigating. Navigating around the Android home screen is intuitive and simple. The home screen is split into 4 sections or rows. The top row of tiles is called the Recommendation row. The next one, the Channel Master row, followed by the Apps row, and then the Settings row. If games were installed, there will be a 5th row titled Games. To navigate up and down and from left to right, simply use what we call the D-pad on the remote control, which is the set of left, right, up, down, and OK buttons on the remote control. Use the arrow buttons to navigate and the OK button to select. At any time, if you are in an app or get lost in your navigation, you can always hit the Home button on your remote to return to the Android TV home screen. Recommendation row. The Recommendation row will display fresh content from the installed apps that you use most, allowing the user to select the tile for direct access. Simply use the left and right navigation buttons on the remote to browse the recommendations. If you find a recommendation that you would like to watch, select it by pressing OK. The Channel Master row. The Channel Master row consists of apps recommended by Channel Master, including the Google Live Channels app, which utilizes Stream Plus internal tuners, allowing you to watch live TV received by a standard over-the-air TV antenna. Other apps recommended by Channel Master can be populated in this row in the future. Apps row. The Apps row includes the Google suite of apps, including the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store offers thousands of apps and games that can be downloaded and installed directly on the Stream Plus. Installing apps is easy. Simply go to the Google Play Store, Then browse the available apps by using the navigation keypad on your remote control. Once you have found an app that you wish to install, select it by pressing OK. Once selected, more information about the app will be displayed, as well as an option to install. Highlight and press OK on the Install Download to install the app. If you install an app inadvertently, or would simply like to remove it, see instructions in the Settings row under Apps. Settings row. The Settings row consists of two icons, a Settings icon and a Wi-Fi status icon. Selecting the Settings icon will take you to a complete list of Stream Plus and Android TV settings. Please note that the settings for individual apps should be accessed from within the app itself. This includes the Google Live Channels app for settings like channel scanning, hiding unwanted channels, closed captions, and alternative audio settings for live TV. Selecting the Wi-Fi status icon will take you directly to your network and Wi-Fi settings. Network. The network setting allows you to set up your network and internet connection. Bluetooth. Allows you to turn Bluetooth on and off. HDMI. HDMI allows you to turn on and off the HDMI CEC settings. HDMI CEC will allow the Stream Plus to control other compatible devices connected with an HDMI cable. Google Cast allows you to turn on and off casting usage data with Google. Sound allows you to turn on and off the system sounds that you hear when navigating the remote and allows you to set your own surround sound settings. Apps. App settings are broken up into two categories, downloaded apps and system apps. Under downloaded apps, you can select and manage apps. Typically, the only time you would use this setting is if you downloaded and installed an app that you wish to uninstall. Simply click Uninstall. System apps are core apps that run in the background that keep Android TV running. We strongly discourage any alterations, uninstalling, or clearing of cache of system apps, as this could result in performance issues on your Stream Plus, Android TV, and apps. This setting is for advanced users, and Channel Master does not provide support on the Stream Plus devices that have had changes made to the system settings. Screensaver. Allows you to turn on and off the screensaver, set the amount of time before it starts, and set an amount of time to completely put the Stream Plus to sleep. Display. Allows you to set a desired output resolution to your TV and an overscan adjustment to ensure the display frame matches your screen size. Storage and reset. Allows you to manage internal and external storage. About. Displays key information about your Stream Plus. Also, this is where you will check for, download, and install software updates. Time and date. Allows you to adjust the time settings. We recommend using the Stream Plus with the automatic time setting for an ideal live channels experience. Language. Allows you to set the menu language displayed on the screen. Keyboard. Allows you to select a keyboard style. Home screen. Allows you to adjust the apps that are displayed in the recommendation row and how apps are displayed in the apps and games rows. Search. Allows you to modify which apps can be searched using the universal Android voice search. Speech. Allows you to adjust the speech settings. Accessibility. Allows you to adjust text sizes, captions, and other accessibility features. Add accessory. Allows you to add a Bluetooth accessory. To set up a new Bluetooth accessory, you'll need to ensure that your device is in pairing mode, as per instructed in your device's user manual. Once your device is in pairing mode, select Add Accessory, and the Stream Plus will search for your device for pairing. Channel Master Remote shows the battery life of your remote control and provides access to the programming settings that allow you to use your remote control to control the volume on other devices such as your TV or audio receiver. Also, this is where you can manage the pairing and unpairing of your remote control. Location allows you to turn on and off Google location services. Security and restrictions allows you to set up security parameters for downloading apps to help prevent installation of harmful apps. Usage and diagnostics allows you to turn on and off diagnostics and usage data to Google. Add account allows you to manage the Google account associated with the device, change your account, or add a new account. Now back to the home screen. Let's go over the voice search feature. Simply press the microphone button on the lower right-hand corner of the remote control and speak into the top of the remote. Android TV will search all compatible apps for matches and allow you to launch the app and directly tune to the desired program. This feature will also search up to 14 days of program guide information within the Live Channels app. This will allow you to schedule recordings up to 14 days in advance. Google Casting feature. Simply connect your mobile device to the same home network that is connected to the Stream Plus and look for the casting icon in the app of your mobile device. Press Cast and follow the instructions on the screen to push the video content to your television. It's important to note that not all apps are compatible. In Chapter 6, we will cover using the Live Channels application to watch television, including features, functionality, and DVR capability when an external storage device is installed. Live Channels is an app developed by Google that allows devices to tune to live TV channels received from an antenna and provides access to an on-screen guide and DVR capability. The Stream Plus has integrated dual antenna tuners that the Google Live Channels app utilizes to tune live TV channels and all other related features within the app. It is important to understand that Live Channels is not a Channel Master app, and that Channel Master is limited to the support we can offer for its features and functionality as we would with any other third-party application. If you have a feature request, or you would like to report issues with the behavior of the app, we encourage you to contact Google Live Channels directly. Currently, Google offers 2 days of channel information in the program guide. However, you can search and schedule recordings up to 14 days in advance using the remote's voice search feature. To launch the Live Channels app from the home screen, navigate and press OK on the blue app icon that says Live Channels. Scanning channels. In the initial setup of the Stream Plus, your device should have automatically opened the Live Channels app and prompted you to scan channels. If you did not scan channels in the setup wizard, or you wish to rescan channels, simply press the OK button on the remote control while you are on a live channel. This will display the Channels menu banner. Next, press the down arrow button to select the TV Options banner. Once you are on the TV Options banner, arrow over to the Settings and press OK. Now select Channel Sources and then select TV Tuner and follow the on-screen instructions. Hiding channels. Press the OK button on the remote control while you are on a live channel. This will display the Channels menu banner. Next, press the down arrow button to select the TV Options banner. Once you are on the TV Options banner, arrow over to Settings and press OK. Now select Customize Channel List. Then, deselect any channels that you do not wish to appear in your guide. Changing channels. Using the channel buttons on the remote control, simply press up and down to scroll through available channels. In addition, you can enter a channel number manually by using the number pad on the remote control. Navigating the electronic program guide. When in the Live Channels app, press the Guide button on the remote control to enter the on-screen guide. Guide data will be displayed for the channels you have scanned and based on availability from Google. If you are missing guide data or have the incorrect guide data, you will need to contact Google directly to try to resolve the issue. To move up and down in the guide, simply use the up and down arrows on your remote. When navigating on any channel at a future time, you can press the OK button on a program to set either a one-time recording or a series recording. To schedule a single program to record, simply press this single program. To record a series, simply press Entire Series. Then select your desired priority and the channels that you want this program to record. To delete a recording, simply select the program in the guide and press OK. To filter your guide by genre, use the left arrow on the remote control to move the selections bar to the far left, and then you will see the filter selections appear on the left side of the screen. Select the desired genre, and the only channels categorized in that genre will appear in your guide. To set a recording for a program currently in progress, press the OK button when on a live channel. Then, press the up arrow to display the play controls. Now arrow over to the circle record button. How to pause live TV. Simply press the pause button on the remote. How to play back a recorded program. Simply press the DVR button on the remote control and select the program that you wish to play back. How to edit scheduled recordings. Simply press the DVR button on your remote control, then navigate to the row of scheduled series programs and select the program that you wish to edit. In Chapter 7, we will go over a list of compatible external storage options and explain how to connect them to your Stream Plus. In addition, we will discuss the formatting process and expectations when used to support the Google Live Channels application. The Stream Plus supports two external storage options, microSD cards and USB hard drives. For DVR recordings using the Google Live Channels app, Channel Master highly recommends using 1 TB external USB hard drives. An important note regarding microSD cards. Thanks to customer feedback and our own in-house testing, we have found that many of the SD cards available online are counterfeit and do not operate as intended. Once you have a 1 TB external hard drive, ensure that your Stream Plus is powered on and that you can see the Android TV home screen on your television. Then, connect the external hard drive into the USB port on the back of the Stream Plus. Your Stream Plus will recognize the storage and ask if you would like to set up as DVR storage or set up as removable storage. To use the storage for Live Channels DVR, select Set up as DVR storage. The Stream Plus will format the storage to work with the Live Channels app to store your DVR recordings. If you choose to set up as removable storage, this will allow you to use third-party media apps and provide access to your own personal media.